That was a mistake. Yeah, let's do 360s. Woo! Woo! Hello guys, today we are playing Noob Train. Yes. Oh God, Opal Mushrooms, Clara Bouquet, Rick Bacon, Alexandra, Roxanne. Let's cause some chaos in here. Noob. Okay. Hold up. Okay, so this is Noob Train, a game where you can destroy stuff or make chaos. Like what I do sometimes at school. You know, normal stuff. Hold up, guys. This is gonna be so satisfying. Let's make some 50 noobs in here. 50. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. It's me, Mario. Oh come on, man. Let's cause some chaos. You know, how about we make 100? Oh, that's maybe not 1,000. Make the walk speed 200,000. Oh, I'm like one of those balls from gambling games. You know, those tiny balls that bounce everywhere. Oh, jump power. Make it 800, because it's my favorite number. 8, my favorite number, not 800. Oh, noob size. Let's make the noob size, I can do so much. Avatar toggle. Hold up. Let's do noob compress. No, not noob compress. Trail settings. Avatar toggle. How do I make myself? V. Oh, yep. I'm already making so much chaos. It's so laggy. Oh yeah, I'm King Kong. Oh, why do I have a small head? Head. It's supposed to be 1,000. Oh! It's like I have headless. Oh, now it loads. Hold up, guys. Okay, too much chaos. Just too much chaos. Oh! Wait, let's do this. 100 noobs. As noobs are loading. Make sure to smash that like button and subscribe button so you don't miss any videos. Anyways, continuing. Yep. Oh, it's still going. Noob size. Let's make it. Just reset. Okay, height 1,000. And let's see what happens. Oh hell no! Out becomes Slenderman. Get the width to 1,000. Okay, now how do we? Oh, I look one of those. I look like Mario from the 1998s. Hold up. What if I'm gonna look like Mario, dude? Wait. Noob size? Oh my god. Yeah, that much noobs. Oh my god. Oh, it looks like pieces of toast. I don't know. Weird. Okay. Now the head. Oh, walk speed. Oh, 10. Oh. Let's make a walk speed of, no, not 0. Let's cause so much chaos, guys. No, 1, 0. What, PP? I didn't type PP. 1, 0. Okay, wait, guys, it's so laggy. Dude, we're so slow. We're slower than a turtle. Okay, let's go noob size. Okay, it's so loud. Okay, now we're just huge and small. 5,000. Okay. Now we're gonna run. Oh! Oh my god, I'm out of the map. Hold up. Oh no. Reset. Okay. We made a mistake. Oh no, what did we do? Oh, we're still quick. Oh my god. Yo, hold up. Look at this. I think this song is gonna get me copyrighted, by the way. Let's do some of the tricks. Whee! I like to make chaos with this way. The height 1,000. We got the trail. And let's just turn off the music in case. Okay, let's make it red. Cause red is my favorite color, even though my profile is freaking enabled. Oh no, what have I chaotic done? Oh my god. Is that the red man? Oh, that's an Okay, we're just causing chaos. Oh no. Oh, what have we done? This is terrible. Oh my god, there's still noobs there. Oh my god. Okay, we caused so much trouble right now. Oh no. Oh! Yeah, we're basically like a ping pong ball. We're just bouncing everywhere. Oh! Whoa! Man, make the walk speed 100, okay? We're too quick. We're faster than Sonic, man. Now we're too slow. How about we just destroy the game and make the walk speed? That was a mistake. Yeah, let's do 360s. Woo! Man, it looks like I'm wearing red pants. Spinning, you spin me right round like a record. Okay, now this is just chaotic. Let's just die. 5,056. Low glitch a lot. Ha ha ha. Hey, Althea. Hello. Oh, we're causing so much chaos. Oh no. Makes a billion noobs. Now, how about... Okay. Oh no, what have we caused? Oh no. Hold up, let's do 360s and we just destroyed everything. Jump! Oh, do 360s. Too quick. Make our size so huge. We're not making enough destruction. This is so weird. It's like I'm the admin. I can just do whatever I want, but I'm not. Yo. Transition in 3, 2, 1, 1.5, 0.5. Whoa! Yeah, that was totally jump scare. Now we are just flying everywhere. Okay, we've created chaos. Help, please. Hola, help. Oh no, we totally... Oh, I hope I don't crash the game. Yeah, I guess we caused enough chaos, I guess. Bye. Do a 360 before we say goodbye. 360. I can't do it. Okay, guys, bye.